We will be showing you on this video how to set up the X and Y channel configuration. Touch the bottom right hand corner for the setup. Select Program Setup. Select Channel Setup. In this video demonstration, axis X is a potentiometer and axis Y is a strain gauge. We're going to do the axis X first, the potentiometer. Select Config. We're going to use a 50 millimeter linear displacement sensor. So make sure the lower and upper scale is set up correctly. Because this is a potentiometer, we have the ability to teach in the lower calibration and upper calibration. With your device set at the lower calibration position, select Teaching Calibration. The 9311 will measure and input the data in the lower calibration. Move your sensor to the upper calibration position. Select Teaching Upper Calibration. The 9311 will measure and put in the upper calibration numbers into the unit. Press Return. We're going to configure the Y channel or strain gauge. If we select Configuration, make sure that the lower and upper scale is correct scale for your low cell. In this example, we're using a 10 Newton low cell. With no force on the low cell, we have the ability to teach in the lower calibration. So we're going to press and measure the lower calibration. Because this is a low cell, we do not have a calibrated load that exactly exert the force to be able to teach in the upper calibration. We're going to use the data sheet that comes with the low cell. In order to enter this data, we have to add the lower calibration number that we just finished measuring. We add it to the calibration data sheet, and the sum of the two numbers will be entering in the upper calibration. So when we select, we enter the sum of those two numbers in here. Once we do that, we press OK. And once that's done, we press Return, Return, and hit Enter to save the values. This is how we configure the X and Y channel on the Digiforce 9311.